Hello everyone, my name is Abhilash Bhasakhetre. I am in 8th grade. I study Narayana Vidyalayam and for Tinker Blockathon competition. Today in Scratch I have created a project on the Christmas theme. I got this idea on the iconic Santa Claus of Christmas who gives away gifts to every child who is not on the naughty list. But I mixed Santa Claus with Scratch Cat and made something fabulous. Now I'm going to show what I have made today in this blockathon project competition. Here is the output that I made on Scratch. Full screen, run the green flag. Santa Cat. Info, give gifts to everyone. Start. It is Christmas. The Santa Cat everywhere gives away gifts to everyone. It's time he comes. Santa Cat, it's time to go. Here is our Santa Cat. And now, objective, go inside the house. Press C to enter. Objective complete. We have entered inside the house. Now, in this good house, you have to pick up the gift bag. It is the objective. Now it is marked by the green outline. Now let's click it. We have it. Now let's exit. Objective complete. Objective, get to village. Now I suppose it is on the far side on the right. Let's get there. Here it is. Now let's climb by the chimney. There's the chimney. Flashes that we've gotten inside. Objective, go in and give gifts. Now we have got in the house. Now let's give them. Press F to gift. Now we have gifted the children here. Now let's exit. Now we are outside. Now let's gift more houses. Let's give them on the door. Press F to gift. They are given gift. Now objective is to gift snowman. Press F to gift. Let's go. We have gifted everything and everyone. Thanks for watching this video of my output on Scratch. I put a lot of efforts to make this game. I hope you appreciate my efforts. Thank you.